Boss up, boss up. Let's talk about it. Let's get everything right. We got a great video talking about delivering legal documents. Yes, delivering legal documents. It's a real thing. We're not delivering food. We're not delivering people. No catering orders. No large, bulky things from Home Depot. Nasty medical supplies. No poop. No blood. Just paperwork. Papers, folders, little mailings. Here in the city, courthouse to courthouse, attorney's office to attorney's office, even, dropping off some legal documents for you guys who got your cars repossessed. So, real out here. It's money to be made. Let's get into it. No long talk, long intro. We show you actually where to apply for these jobs. I just don't show me going out doing them, making all the money, and not telling you where to apply. We get straight to it. So let's talk about it. First couple of videos, companies we want to talk about. First one is ABC Legal. Yes, ABC Legal. You're real legal with it. And I got about 8 companies I want to bring you today. So don't worry. So ABC Legal, abclegal.com. Get some information. They're nationwide. But let's see how you can get on with them and become a process server. So you can serve documents. There you go. Need a driver's license, transportation, auto insurance, smartphone, and a printer. That's all you need to be a document server. So, I know long time ago, I had a vehicle that's repossessed, and I still owe some money on it, on the loan, and they served me some papers to get their money back. I found bankruptcy, got her out of that. I ain't worried about that, but I did get the paper, and it was just a regular person just pulled up in the car, asked me what my name was, and handed me the paperwork, and she said she got $80 just for doing this. Yes, I asked, like, damn, how much you get paid just for dropping off paper? So she got $80 just for dropping me off some paperwork, and this was 4 or 5 years ago. So I imagine the price has gone up since then. All right, so that's the first one, ABC Legal. Go to the top, go to become a process server. Some of the qualifications you need: printer, driver's license, transportation, insurance. That's it. Next, Courier Atlanta. Legal courier services. We deliver complaints, petitions, summons, proof of services, document sheets. Request a code. Well, this is how if you need the service, but let's see how we become a driver. For them, drivers wanted right there. Come up to the company, go to drivers wanted. Of course, this is in Atlanta area, Georgia, but which a lot of you guys are, and me too. But like I said, I'm sure if you just type in legal services, actually, let me show what did I type into Google. Courier legal documents. That's all I typed into Google. Courier legal documents. You can do that. Courier legal documents followed by your city and find more things in your area. But some of these are local, some of these are more national companies. Here's another local Atlanta process servers. Dash, this one based out of the Southeast, South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia. Dash, Couriers, Courier Connection, legal professional services, tax filings, printed checks, any type of paperwork. And Courier Connection is a national company, I know for sure. This is American Expediting. American Expediting is a national company. So try this one out. Even though they're showing Atlanta, that's because, that's what I clicked on. And they have a geolocation where they can track where you are when you're clicking on things. And that's where they show you your area. So if you just went to Google and typed in Courier legal documents, you will be able to find these companies that I'm showing you today. And you can go and apply and get your roll on, get to delivering these legal documents. You can be a process server, putting them folks in your business. And let's see, here goes another one. Ancillary Legal Corporation. Let's see, Courier. So if you want to be a courier, fill this information out and you can get started with them. Let's see any other website. This one based out of Atlanta as well. But like I said, they're not really showing how much they pay the drivers. That's what I want to look for. How much do they pay their drivers? So it's a lot of companies. This one has Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, Pennsylvania. So this company, Express It Delivery, check them out. Express It Delivery. Like I said, they got locations all in the Northeast. We got ServeNow, ServeNow.com, courier services. They're all over the country. ServeNow, and of course, GoShare. GoShare is more of a gig app, so it's a lot easier to get on if it's not saturated in your area. And they usually pay about $40 to $50 an hour to get on. Now, let's look on Indeed and see if we can get some pricing on some of these courier, how much they pay people. Part-time document courier, $16 an hour. There's a courier for Emory, $19 an hour. Independent contractor, $800 a week. What are you doing here? Cargo van, sprinter van, minivan, SUV, car, clean, MVR, $800 per week. That ain't bad. You're working 8-hour days, but it's a good start for a lot of people. Independent contractor, Family Quality Logistics, check them out. But still not seeing any pay for the, trying to find like an industry standard on the pay. And I don't see any. It's all good. But y'all got the gist. Oh, here you go, pay. So we're getting this 30 an hour plus. There's a couple of them, $400 a day. Independent National Courier. Let's see what they're talking about. National Courier Express saying they're paying $400 a day. It's pretty good money. That's definitely six figures. Definitely over $60,000 a year for an independent medical courier contractor. But this is not for the legal documents. We're trying to get the legal stuff, guys, for the legal information. Where is that? Anybody who ever done legal document delivery, if you ever done this, go ahead and comment down below. I've done it for Courier Express a while ago. It was like a one-off job. I had to deliver something to two attorney offices that was actually right across the street from each other. Legal documents, got paid $85, 40 for one, 45 for the other one. Pretty cool gig. Yeah, Courier Express, that's the one I did my legal document delivery. I was an on-demand driver for them for a while. All right. But that's it. Now I'm not going to talk you guys to death. No long talk, no long intros. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit me up on @CreditK on all social media. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And if you want to know about credit, need some CPs, need some other stuff, hit me up. Get at me. All right. We gone.